We're here with Reggae Girls central defender Allyson Swaby. First of all, unfortunate result. How are you feeling about the game today?
Yeah, obviously it's disappointing to not have gotten the result we wanted, but it's a two-way tie, so I think we're just focused on improving for the next game and fighting back.
Where do you think you guys went wrong today, and how much do you think, or where do you see you guys can improve?
Yeah, I mean, I think the goals that we conceded were really, really small errors that we could have handled better, and then I just think that ultimately if we want to advance, we have to find a way to win. So we've got to figure out how to put the ball in the back of the net.
All right, so let's switch to a more positive note, considering the environment. Talking about this loss, you guys had an outstanding showing in this year's World Cup. You made a lot of us proud. Speak to us about how it felt representing us yet again at another World Cup.
Yeah, I mean, this time around it was nice because I think it felt like everyone felt a little bit more experienced, so everyone was a little relaxed. But yeah, I mean, we could feel the support. I think obviously, I mean, everyone was probably apprehensive before it started, considering the depth of our group, and I think once we got that first result, we just felt like the energy of everyone getting behind us after we were able to draw France. So.
And question specific to you, how did it feel to lead out your nation in a World Cup game? That must have been one of your marquee accomplishments.
Yeah, I mean, it's something I'm really proud to have gotten the opportunity to do, and also for it to have been our first win at a World Cup. It was something that I will definitely remember forever, and I'm honored anytime I can lead this group out.
And as a defender, you would have been a part of one of the notable defenses in this year's World Cup. Managing to lock out France and Brazil. That's a remarkable accomplishment. How does it feel to be a part of the defense, with you and your sister, Denisha, Rebecca? How does it feel to be a part of that group that's responsible for so many ridiculous shutouts?
Yeah, I've said it before. Honestly, we took a lot of shit, in the 2-3 years, even from the last World Cup.
Yeah.
We took a lot of shit that our back line wasn't good enough. We heard it over and over and over. So I think we just took it personal in the end. And I think we were just happy to prove, ourselves right, know that we were strong as a unit, and just to actually execute it was nice.
And what do you think attributed to you guys, your guys' backline coming together so well?
Yeah, I just think time together, building with mainly the same group of players since the last World Cup, I think is huge. I think when we got the opportunity to play against high-level teams, it was also really impactful for us. And I think we're just all more experienced, honestly. And I think that, obviously me, Chantel, Den, we had played in the previous World Cup, but then you add someone in like Becky, who's already very experienced on her own merit without international football. I think it just all gelled really well.
And to that point, the defense, Kanye Plummer, today you guys, besides the two mishaps that led to goals, you guys looked like two peas in a pod today. How does it feel playing back with Kanye Plummer?
Yeah, it was nice. Obviously, I know Kanye really well because we've played together so much. So I was just happy for her to be back on the field for the first official time since she's had her son. So for her, that's an incredible achievement. And I think that, it gives the rest of the group strength to know how hard she's fought to come back to this team and be in this environment. And yeah, it was exciting. I said before the game, just have fun, and I'm happy to have you back out here. So.
And lastly, if you could give the Reggae Girls fans one message, look in the camera and tell them something.
Keep supporting us. Big things are coming. We're not done yet.
All right, thank you so much for talking to us, Allyson.